We've added a new toggle inside the Chat window tab under Additional Options to help reduce blocking time and improve user experience, especially on mobile devices, giving you more flexibility in balancing performance and customer engagement. Let's check how it works. Choose how the widget is deployed, either after a customer scrolls, clicks, or touches something on your page, or automatically by not toggling the option on. If the toggle is disabled or not configured, the chat widget loads immediately as per existing behavior. Let's go over how to enable the Load Chat widget on User Interaction option. Navigate to the Chat Widget tab inside the Sites section and create or edit a widget. Open the Chat window tab, and under Additional Options, enable the Load on User Interaction toggle. Click Save in the top right corner. Once enabled, the widget will load only after a visitor interaction. If no interaction occurs, the widget automatically loads after an 8-second fallback delay. Enabling this option helps improve initial website performance, reduces unnecessary widget load during page rendering, and ensures the widget remains available for genuine visitors. We hope you enjoy it.